Welcome back. Remember how we were on a fun journey through history to discover the story of how people from all over the world have been using the choices of health, liberty, and happiness, and how these choices created a human domino effect that made life better for thousands of generations? Well, in this episode, we're going to keep going. Keep in mind what we talked about last episode. You know, how our ability to make helpful decisions will build on all the amazing advances of our human family in history and help us solve some of our big problems too. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to help make the world a better place where everyone gets to live their best life by making smart, helpful choices in health, liberty, and happiness. We're going to start learning how to do this by using simple, colorful rocks first, and then add these amazing words back into the circles later. Are you ready? Let's go. When we take away these words and replace them with color words, we can learn how these circles work. This chart of overlapping circles was made popular by a man named John Venn over 100 years ago. This kind of diagram is used by many scientists and scholars. It helps us to understand a logical relationship between two or more items or ideas. This Venn diagram of overlapping circles can help us understand how to make helpful choices in this case. If we use simpler items like colors, we can learn how to use the circles more easily. Here's how it works. If we replace them with the words yellow, blue, and red, we can then sort rocks of different colors that belong in each circle. Will you help me? Let's add some different colors of rocks to see how this diagram exercises your thinking and helps you make logical decisions. The directions are to put the rocks in the circle of the same color. Let's put the yellow rock in the yellow circle first. It goes here. If we would have put the yellow rock here instead, it would only be in the red circle and not in the yellow circle at all. If we would have put this yellow rock here instead, it would be in both the yellow and the blue circles. But the rock does not have any blue color on it. Therefore, the correct place to put it is here, where it's only in the yellow circle. Where should we put the blue rock? Should we put it here or here? That's right. The correct place for the blue rock is here because it only has the blue color on it. Now for the red rock, where should it go? How about here? No? Here? No, this would put it in the yellow and the blue circle too. This red rock only has red on it. Where should it go? Yes, here, where it's only in the red circle. Let's add more rocks. Where should these rocks go? Try putting them in the circles in your mind. Oops, that one only has blue on it and no yellow. That's right, it goes there, where it's only in the blue circle. Let's keep going. Now let's add some more rocks that have two colors on the same rock. Let's put this red and yellow rock in the right place. Where do you think it should go? No, you say? You're right. Oh, here. Yes, correct. It is yellow and red, and in this spot, it's both in the yellow and the red circles. Let's keep going. Where should this blue and red rock go? Yes, here, because in this spot, it's both in the red and the blue circle. Next, let's put this yellow and red rock in the right place. Yes, it goes here, where it can be both in the yellow circle and the red circle at the same time. Now, for this rock here, it has all three colors, red, blue, and yellow. Where can it go so it's in all three circles at the same time? Exactly, here in the center, where it can be in all three circles. What about this gray rock? Where should it go? It's not yellow, blue, or red. Should it stay on the outside of the circle? Yes, correct. It doesn't have any of these three colors, so it does not belong in any of the three circles on this Venn diagram. Here's one more rock that has all three colors of yellow, blue, and red. Yes, it goes here, where it can be in the center. That's the place where all three circles overlap. See how categorizing each of these characteristics or attributes of color designates where each of the rocks belong. Let these ideas sit in your mind for a while as you go about your day. Next time, we're going to learn more about how to sort your choices and even your thoughts into these three circles, just like we sorted the colorful rocks. You're doing great. Until next time, keep making choices that include all three to be healthy, happy, and free.